Malungkot na nagpaalam si DJ Mo Twister, Mohan gumatay sa tunay na buhay, sa tahanang naging saksi ng pagmamahalan nila noon ni Angelicopter. Ang nasabing bahay ay nasa Las Vegas, Nevada, sa Amerika, kwento pa niya. Sa tahanang iyon nabuo ang kanyang pamilya at doon lumaki ang kanyang mga anak. Ang tinutukoy niyang anak ay sina Amsterdam, 11 years old at ang anak ni Angelicopter na si Lucas, 13 years old naman. Hindi tunay na anak ni DJ Mo si Lucas. Narito ang kwento ni Mo.
Today, I said goodbye to a home I absolutely loved. For the first time I turned off every single light in the house, and locked the door one last time. I'm not grieving the walls, but what they held. 2 beautiful kids were raised in this home, and it was supposed to be theirs. As many of you know, some months ago I lost my son. Someone came home after being released from jail, and while I was at work, took him and everything in the house she identified as valuable. All the nice stuff. The expensive couch, the fancy furnishings and kitchenware, everything she thought was worth something to her, leaving what she thought was junk. As I went through the junk I found the most valuable of things. I found his hospital bracelet from the day he was born, even if I wasn't a part of his life yet then. His first tooth. His first homework assignment. I found my daughter's hospital bracelet too. I've always kept every tooth and other mementos like their first haircut, all their school workbooks and every toy I was always so excited to buy for them. There were no Hermes bags left behind. There were no Hermes earrings left behind. No Hermes clothes, no Hermes shoes. Just a few pieces of junk, which was the history of these children. I had to empty the house today, but I did leave one thing behind, a drawing my son made of him and his sister taped on his wall. It's not Da Vinci level art, but it's priceless. With the heaviest heart, I left my home today. And it feels like yet another connection I have with him gone. I have purchased a new home and will wait for him to come back one day. In the meantime, there's literally only one person on this planet that doesn't call in my son, and that's the only piece of junk I left behind.
Matatandaang naghiwalay si DJ Mo at asawang si Angelicopter noong June 2024. Ito din ang kanilang 3rd wedding anniversary. Ayon sa mga balita, napagdesisyonan ng dalawa na mag-divorce bago pa man ikinasal si DJ Mo at Angelicopter noong 2021 at 9 na taon silang magkasintahan. Kaya naman, marami ang nalungkot sa nangyari sa dating mag-asawa.